Context. A dairy farm wants to enhance milk production by optimizing the fatty acid composition in cows' diets. They are considering increasing the amount of unsaturated fatty acids in the feed, but need to ensure it doesn't negatively impact milk yield or quality. Question number 1. How does lipid metabolism, particularly beta oxidation and lipogenesis, influence milk fat composition? So sa lipid metabolism natin gitawag nga beta oxidation. Muna siya ang process nga ma-breakdown ang fatty acids fatty acids which is muna siya ang mag-produce sa energy. It also influences the full available fatty acids within the mammary gland.
Lipogenesis, it involves the conversion of glucose and other substrates into fatty acids. This process helps synthesizing saturated fatty acids in milk fat. Lipogenesis is a crucial metabolic process that allows the body to store energy in a form of fat. This process is important for milk production and understanding the factors that influences lipogenesis to the overall health of the livestock.
So question number 2. What are the metabolic consequences of feeding dairy cows and diet high in unsaturated fatty acids? So the consequence of feeding dairy cows diet high in unsaturated fatty acids kay makapatyada siya sa quality sa gatas pero na siya negative effect sa activity microbial sa rumen dayon nagyapon siya effect sa makapanaog gyapon siya sa fat sa gatas then magkaroon gyapon siya sa disorder like kanang ketosis.
So, unsaturated fatty acid is makatabang siya sa pagpataas sa unsaturated fat content sa kalidad sa gatas. Then, ang nutrition is makatabang po siya sa kalidad sa gatas. Then, apan, dapat gusto ang pagdumala sa production para sa dapat gusto ang pagdumala sa production para sa kahimsog sa baka. So, question number 3. How can a biochemical understanding of lipid metabolism help dairy farmers balance milk yield, quality, and animal healthy? So, ang lipid metabolism makatabang siya sa farmers to optimize and balance milk yield and quality, to maintain cow health by preventing energy imbalance and metabolic disease.
Understanding lipid metabolism help farmers balance milk yield by optimizing fat availability for milk such as by controlling the levels of unsaturated and saturated fats in the diet.
Helps balance diet for optimal milk yields, quality and animal health, preventing metabolic disorder and process sustainable farming by reducing environmental impact like methane emission.